So I'm in New York, staying at a friend's place. Super. It's still early. I'm too tired, and I don't know if that video format is my thing. I'm happy to write and paint pictures, but talking to a camera, I don't know. Maybe you tell me if it's actually good or not. Otherwise, I just keep on. Um, yeah. So the AI, the AI world, that's the thing. It moves super fast, and I don't want to talk every time about AI. It gets a bit tiring, and also not really creative if I only talk about it. So that's why with Paula Kühn we started the robots, and there we will purely talk about all the news in the AI. But I want to keep this space here a bit more personal about my creative journey. Um, well, we've been to LVMH in Paris, and we worked with the designers from Dior and Louis Vuitton and the other houses, and that was super inspiring. And I will tell more when I can. And now I'm in New York, and the time difference and the jet lag. Yeah, and this is basically it. So I'm gizmoing a lot. So there's this amazing app called Gizmo where you can vibe code on your phone. So I created SimCity with emojis or emojicons or however you call those smiley things. I'm getting old. Yeah, so check out Gizmo, and I will see how I continue with those videos or not. So give me maybe some feedback on that.